The Stelometer. Here is a Stelometer instrument, and this is the torsion balance. These two devices in combination help to determine the bundle strength of fibers. The Stelometer is a constant rate of loading tester. The main parts of the Stelometer are the heavy beam and the pendulum. The fiber bundle specimen is held between two clamps. One clamp is fixed to the pendulum and the other to the beam. To do a test, the first step is to take a representative bundle of fibers from the bulk material and comb it well to straighten out all of the fibers. Then from this combed sample, select a smaller bundle of fibers using a pair of tweezers and comb it again. Next, transfer this test specimen to the sample holder or the Presley jaws. The clamps are then tightened with even pressure by means of a spanner. The fibers projecting from the far ends of the clamps are then cut off flush with its edges by means of a sharp razor blade. Now the beam is moved away from its freely suspended position and locked in place. The clamp setup holding the fiber bundle specimen is then fitted into the specimen holder of the Stelometer. We are all set to perform the test. Now press down the lever to release the beam. You can see the pointers of the load and elongation scales move over their respective scales. The pointers stop at certain positions as soon as the fiber bundle specimen breaks. Make a note of the readings of the breaking strength and breaking elongation of the test specimen. Next, unscrew the fiber clamps. Carefully remove the remains of the broken bundle using forceps and keep them all carefully. Before determining the mass of the test specimen, set the pointer of the torsion balance to 0 using the leveling screw and the lower knob of the balance as required. Now collect and place the remnants of the broken test specimen in the right-hand pan of the balance using the forceps. Adjust the upper knob of the balance to bring the pointer to coincide with the red line. Note the reading of the mass of the test specimen on the scale. Test 10 specimens in this manner and calculate its mean tenacity and elongation as explained in the text.